I'm Margaret, I'm 67 years old, and this is my granddaughter, Tiffany. She's 19. She's always the one, if you want to go somewhere, Gigi, with the cheeks. Can I please have a ride to work?
No, I really can't.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
So I wake up a little bit after 11.
I put a purple eyeliner on my eyes, my red lipstick on, a little bit of mascara, and I'm out the door.
I do like concealer, contour, highlight, a little bit of blush, eyebrows, lip liner, and then I'll normally do like an ombre-ish lip color like I have right now, which is like 3 different lip colors.
I comb my hair a little bit. I put on my house dress, which my kids call the moo-moo.
I will go get dressed. It takes me a minute to figure out what I'm gonna wear.
I'll start helping my mom. I help her get her hair together. I help her put on her sneakers. I put lotion on her in the morning. And then I make sure I prepare her breakfast for her. After that, we take a walk, and then we'll come back and sit on the porch for a little while, which she loves. Otherwise, I'm doing things around the house.
I'll go to the kitchen, get myself some snacks, normally some gummy bears and some chips, and then I'll call an Uber or a Lyft, and it'll take me to work. All right, my car's here. Bye, Dad. I work at a gym. I'm the assistant spa manager. Basically, I'm in charge of selling our self-spa units.
I've been bowling over 30 years, and I bowl on the Crown Jewels Bowling Club. I bowl a couple of times a week, and that is what I love to do. I have Facebook, and I probably go on there about 4 or 5 times a day. That's enough.
I'd say I'd go on social media maybe 50 to like 75 times a day.
Tiffany is always on that social media thing that she does, Twitter thing, and she's...
Snapchat?
Oh, Snapchat. Is that what it's called? This is Life According to Margaret. So this week, we're gonna trade places, and I wanna see how the other generation lives and how they interact with each other. That way I could understand them and they can understand me.
So what I'm most nervous about is having to disconnect from all of my social media for such a long period of time.
My biggest concern is putting on tons of makeup.
I feel like my eyes are sagging. I don't know how this woman does it, it's crazy. I am in Gigi's house dress and I feel ridiculous. The worst part is I'm gonna be walking around all day looking dead like this. I guess I'm gonna be Gigi now.
Oh, I'm super rested for the first time ever. I guess I'm gonna look for Snapchat.
Gigi, she's never used social media like this before, so I seriously doubt that Gigi figured out how to use Snapchat today. If she did, then I'd be shocked.
Oh my goodness. I think I look pretty spiffy.
Morning, Nana. It's about 8:30 in the morning. I literally can't believe how much I've already gotten done. Okay. I was able to help my great-grandmother out. I got her up, I got her dressed, we went on for a walk. It's actually kind of productive, I'm not even gonna lie. I do miss sleep, but it's not that bad.
Time for the makeup session. We have to do toner, concealer under the eye. How do you open this? Apply bronzer. Oh, that's horrible. Brush off the powder. Apply highlight, mascara, lip liner, and lipstick. It feels like 50 pounds. Overall, not too bad, but I could never, ever do this every day.
I'm having a really good time here. I'm enjoying my time with the Crown Jewels. They're teaching me some new bowling skills. Not having my social media meant I didn't need to have my phone in my hand at all times, so I was able to talk to my grandmother's friends more. So actually, it was good. It was cleansing.
Now I need to make lunch or snack, gummy worms, chips. This is not nutritious. I have to call an Uber and get to work by 1 o'clock. Hi.
Margaret?
Yes.
There you are.
I appreciate it.
Let's go.
Let's go. It's going very well. Busy, very busy here. I thought she just sat. Now I know that she has to move and check in people, and it's very interesting. Thank you.
I gotta start dinner. Now I guess I'm gonna do some laundry. Because I never realized how much work my grandmother actually does for this family every day.
I find Tiffany's life very eventful, and mine is a very laid back, and I like my life.